Hello everyone, welcome back to Ins Electronics. So this time I'm not going to repair anything, nor that I'm going to restore something. I just want to show it to you guys. So this is more or less like a vlog kind of thing. I just want to show you something that happened to one of my items. So yeah, it's kind of like a vlog, and this is something new to me as well. So this is my mAh power bank. This is the 20,000 mAh version, and I bought this thing back in 2016 or 2015 or 16. I don't remember exactly. So anyway, it's getting 10 years old, and it was working fine until the end of 2023. And the reason why I stopped using it is because of this line that you see right here. It was starting to bulge up by the end of 2023, and this was the worth the money that I paid for it. I don't know how much did I paid for it back in that time, because I believe it was around 2,000 rupees or something, but it was absolutely worth the price because I used it as my daily driver ever since the day I bought it, and it withstood everything. I tried charging multiple devices at the same time, and by the end of life of this thing, it was still able to give me one full charge. That was pretty solid full charge. And later on, by the time that it started bulging up, it was nearly giving one full charge. It was cutting off by around 70-75% charge, from 20% to 75%. By the time of 75%, it will stop charging. So it was eventually reaching the end of life. But it was worth the money that I paid for every single time. It helped me a lot in difficult situations. And yeah, now you can see the fate of this thing. If you're someone who is working with power banks before trying to repair it, or handle power banks, it is pretty much difficult to open these kind of mAh power banks, because these are not repairable. These are not meant to be opened up by any means, because these are clip locked, and once you open it, there is no going back. So this is like a one-time job. And look at the condition of it now. The battery got bulged up so much that it eventually cracked open the case by itself. You can see no matter how much I press on it, I'm not going to get it back into the case. This was the height that was supposed to be when it was working fine, but now look at this. Let me open the case and see how much it has bulged up. I don't know why it is in a gradual progression. Like here it was small, and by here it was growing upwards. I don't know what is the reason for that, but I just want to show it to you that this is the state of things after a long time. And the board works just fine. There is nothing wrong with it. There is no charge as of now, because the moment I started noticing that it has a bulge in it, and when you're keeping it like this at the time, by the end of 2023, you could see a curve in this side. Now it is flat because the pressure is now released, but by the end of 2023, you could see a bulge in here. So from that time onwards, I stopped using it for charging my cell phones. And then one day I heard this crack. The crack happened after a few months of this bulge has formed. So once it cracked, that's the moment I realized that okay, now it's the time to stop using it. And then I stopped charging this thing, because I'm afraid whether the battery can get hot and it can explode at any time. So I stopped charging it. Then I slowly discharged it using some low loads like Bluetooth headsets and other slight not so much power hungry loads, so that I can safely discharge it. No fast charging, nothing. And eventually I ended up fully emptying the battery, so I kept it on storage, just thinking that okay, one day I could find a replacement battery from a different power bank or something. And that's the reason why I kept it in storage. And I kept it in storage since the end of 2023. So now this is May 2025. So it's been sitting since the last 1.5 years, and now this is the time, because even when keeping this under storage, this was not opened like this. It was still closed pretty much solidly, and the bulge was expanded. That was a condition when it is kept in storage. This happened somewhere in between the storage. I'm fortunate enough that it didn't explode and catch fire or something, but hey, this is the fate of lithium-ion batteries. So now what I've decided to do with this, you can see that it is still welded on, not soldered or anything. So I'm going to discard the battery, and I'm going to scrap the copper from it. So I have already made a video about how to scrap lithium-ion batteries, and this thing weighs a solid maybe 250 grams or something. So we will take out the batteries, we will weigh the battery, and we will see how much copper can we get from these two batteries. I don't know how many of you have seen my video of repairing the Impex made fan, solar DC fan. So I have used a 5000 mAh pouch cell in that. So I'm planning to get that taken out from that, and I will put it in here and make it work as a 10,000 mAh power bank. It's a different video and that I'm planning. I'm not sure whether I will use that same cell or not. So right now, that's it. I just want to show you the state of this thing, just to let you all know that these things can happen to your electronic items as well. So yeah, now on the next session, I will open this thing, I will cut this battery out, and I will wait, and I will extract the copper, and I will show you how much copper can we get from a 20,000 mAh power bank. Yeah, that's it. So subscribe to see that. Thank you.